Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to never miss an upload. Which river among the following starts its journey and ends its journey in India itself? A. Indus. B. Brahmaputra. C. Chambal. D. Kosi. C. Chambal. The dam Krishna Raja Sagara is located in which state? A. Andhra Pradesh. B. Telangana. C. Tamil Nadu. D. Karnataka. D. Karnataka. Which day is known as World Pneumonia Day? A. December 21st. B. March 7th. C. September 3rd. D. November 12th. D. November 12th. What is the minimum age to be a Chief Minister of any state in India? A. 30 years. B. 18 years. C. 25 years. D. 21 years. C. 25 years. In which year was the late Shri Pranab Mukherjee awarded the Bharat Ratna? A. 2018. B. 2019. C. 2014. D. 2016. B. 2019. Which statement is true among the following? A. The ratio of the length to the height of the flag is 3:2. B. The ratio of the length to the height of the flag is 2:3. C. The ratio of the length to the height of the flag is 3:3. D. None of the above. A. The ratio of the length to the height of the flag is 3:2. According to the Global Hunger Index, which among the following regions has the highest hunger and undernutrition levels in the world? A. Africa south of Sahara. B. South Asia. C. Option 1 and 2. D. Europe. C. Option 1 and 2. Meaning, Africa south of Sahara and South Asia are the regions that have the highest hunger and undernutrition in the world. Which state of India is called the land of five rivers? A. Haryana. B. Punjab. C. Maharashtra. D. Gujarat. B. Punjab. This is because there are 5 rivers flowing through the state of Punjab. With changes in the education policy, the 10+2 system was abolished and replaced by which system by the NEP 2020? A. 3+4+5+3. B. 3+5+3+4. C. 5+3+3+4. D. 4+3+5+3. C. 5+3+3+4. Which ion is the most dissolved in ocean water? A. Calcium. B. Chlorine. C. Phosphorus. D. Bromine. B. Chlorine. Which house is also known as the Council of States? A. Rajya Sabha. B. Lok Sabha. C. Both Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha. D. None of the above. A. Rajya Sabha. What is the meaning of the term secular that is written in the preamble of India's constitution? A. The government protects the interest of a single religion. B. All religions are equal in front of the law. C. No religion is allowed in the country. D. Only the religion of minorities matter. B. All the religions are equal in front of the law. Elections for the parliament are conducted by whom in India? A. The President. B. The Prime Minister. C. The Election Commission of India. D. State Election Commission. C. The Election Commission of India. The President of India can nominate how many people into the Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha? A. 10 for RS and 4 for LS. B. 9 for RS and 5 for LS. C. 2 for RS and 12 for LS. D. None of the above. D. None of the above. The President of India can nominate 12 people into Rajya Sabha whereas 2 people into the Lok Sabha. Under which article of the Indian Constitution are the provisions of the Electoral Commission provided? A. Article 15 to Article 30. B. Article 238 to Article 250. C. Article 324 to Article 329. D. Article 45 to Article 50. C. Article 324 to Article 329. Which of the following is a compulsory criterion to become a Rajya Sabha member? A. He or she must be from a commerce background. B. The candidate can hold profit earned by the office. C. The candidate must be of 25 years of age. D. None of the above. C. The candidate must be of 25 of age to be eligible. Who has given a statement that the preamble of the Indian Constitution is the keynote of the Constitution? A. Ernest Barker. B. Mahatma Gandhi. C. Rahul Gandhi. D. Manmohan Singh. A. Ernest Barker. What was the theme of World Environment Day celebrated in India in 2018? A. Think. Eat. Save. B. I am with nature. C. Beat plastic pollution. D. None of the above options. C. Beat plastic pollution. The term El Nino is derived from which European language? A. Portuguese. B. Spanish. C. Dutch. D. German. B. Spanish. Which para-athlete won the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award in the recently announced National Sports Award 2020? A. Duty Chand. B. Sri Mariappan. C. Rani. D. None of the above. B. Sri Mariappan. Thank you for watching. Press the like button and share this video with all friends, students, kids, and don't forget to subscribe. Stay tuned for more such general knowledge videos.